In case you haven't done it yet, connecting your e-commerce store is the first thing that you need to do before you can start using all of our platform's features. You can do it by adding Omnisend from your e-commerce platform's app store, which will prompt you to register your new Omnisend account. Simply fill out all of the fields, and your store will be connected automatically. In case you've already created your account in Omnisend beforehand, you can connect your store from the Omnisend dashboard by clicking Connect Store, selecting your e-commerce platform, entering your store's URL, and agreeing to connect Omnisend to it. As soon as your store is integrated, your free 14-day trial will start, giving you full access to our entire platform. Your customers, as well as their information, cards, and orders, will be imported automatically. We integrate with most major e-commerce platforms in just a couple of clicks, and all other stores can be connected with API. And if you run into any difficulties, feel free to contact support.